No, listen, no one can know about this, okay? This information can't get out. Yeah, I really like the Pitch Perfect movies. They're funny, they're clever, that's why. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, bye. We recording now? Okay, I'm ready. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Hey everyone, I'm Alex. Thanks for clicking and welcome to this lesson on 5 ways to use the phrasal verb get out. As you know, phrasal verbs can have multiple meanings, and this is one of them. So I'm going to give you 5 usages, 5 definitions of get out, as well as at least 2 examples per usage so that you will have a clear understanding of the various ways you can use get out. And if you enjoy this lesson and you want some similar content, maybe you want a PDF, an ebook, or a physical book, such as 100 Practical English Phrasal Verbs, see the link attached to this video, you can pick that up. And also check out the number of resources that I have on EnglishAlex.com. You'll have free resources, some that you can purchase, and one of them is 100 Practical English Phrasal Verbs. So pick up the book, let me know if you like it, and let's get on with the lesson. So get out. The most common definition, the most common usage of get out is to leave, exit, or escape a place or usually bad situation. So usually we're talking about leaving, exiting, okay, a place, but you can also use it to talk about leaving or escaping a usually bad situation. Let's look at the example sentences as I walk over and almost trip over myself. Okay, so get out of the car. Okay, so here is a command. Maybe your friend is giving it to you because they're really, they don't want to be late for wherever you're going. Like, come on, stop playing with your phone, get out of the car, let's go. And like I said, a bad situation. She just got out of a bad relationship. Now, what you'll notice with get out, a very common extension, a common preposition that goes after get out is of. So you get out of a place, get out of a bad situation. So get out of trouble, for example. Next, let's look at this definition. So to force or help someone leave, exit, or escape a place or usually bad situation. So this is, the structure of this one is to get someone out. Okay, so you help that person, or maybe you force that person out of a place or a situation. For example, get him out of my house now. So maybe this is a father and his daughter or his son. They brought home a boyfriend, girlfriend. In this case, it would be a boyfriend. And they say, I don't like this guy. Or he saw him do something that he didn't agree with. And he said, get him out of my house now. Next, she got him out of trouble. So her friend was in trouble. She helped him get out of trouble. She helped him to leave that situation, leave that problem. You can, help someone get out of jail or prison, for example, if you pay money, or maybe you do a prison break, which that would be a movie, and I don't think you would do that. Anyway, so let's keep going. Next. So, get out, to leave your house and enjoy yourself. This is similar to go out, a very common sentence. This is kind of advice that people give to their friends or colleagues, family members. You need to get out more, okay? You stay in your house all day, you watch TV, you play on your phone, and you're starting to look a little pale, you're not healthy maybe, and you say, you need some fresh air, you need to get out more. Leave your house, go do something, enjoy yourself out of your house. Next example, I need to get out this weekend. Like, I need to leave. Like, I'm stuck at home. I have been, imagine you're working at home all week and you haven't left your house and you say, oh, I need to get out this weekend. So it's similar to go out, right? To see your friends or just leave your home and have a new experience. Enjoy yourself. Next, you can see it better if I go this way. I'm going to trip over myself today, guys. You see what I'm working with? This is a wire over here. All right. So, to remove something from a bag, container, etc. It's the same as to take something out, right? So I can take out or get my phone out of my pocket. So example, please get your homework out. So your teacher, if you are going to a class, they might say, please get your homework out of your bag, right? So show me your homework. Get it out of your school bag. Another example, get that gum out of your mouth, right? So take it out of your mouth. Maybe a parent to a child, maybe a teacher to a student. Depending on where you are in the world, some parents will find that rude if a teacher says that to their son or daughter, like, get that gum out of your mouth. It's a little strong, but maybe a parent to a child would say that, right? So get that out, take that out of your mouth. Finally, number 5, to make secret information public. So, for example, news of their divorce got out quickly. So someone found out that they were getting divorced. Maybe this is a celebrity divorce. And suddenly somebody from the TMZ website, like a popular paparazzi website, news website, celebrity news website, gets the information and posts it, and the information spreads very quickly. News of their divorce got out quickly. It was a secret, and now it's getting out. The information was secret. Now it's not secret. It's getting out. Next, make sure this information doesn't get out. So this could be a boss, right, who's telling something very secret to his managers or her managers, and it's very secret because maybe they're saying, okay, the company only has enough money to survive another 3 months. Only you know this, and you know this. I'm telling you because I trust you. Make sure this information doesn't get out. All right, so one more time. To leave, exit, or escape a place or usually bad situation, to force someone or help someone to leave or escape a bad situation, to leave your house and enjoy yourself, like to go out, to remove something from a bag or container, and to make secret information public. So, as you can see, this is a very versatile phrasal verb with a lot of different usages. Now, I hope, now that you have watched this video, you feel more comfortable with it and that you have some examples that you can remember, okay? The key to learning vocabulary, to learning phrasal verbs, really is getting those sentences that make it clear in your mind. So please, I hope you got some of that today. And if you want to test your understanding of what we learned today, as always, you can check out the quiz on engVid.com. And if you'd like to buy a copy of 100 Practical English Phrasal Verbs, which has over 900 examples, 100 phrasal verbs, this being one of them, get out, over 20, well, not over, exactly 20 context-based lessons. There's an easy-to-use index. You can get the PDF and ebook or the physical copy. Just check out the link attached to this video and surf around, EnglishAlex.com. I have a lot of free resources in addition to what I provide here for you guys on YouTube and on engVid. So thank you very much, and until next time, thanks for clicking.